So we're going to take a look at electricity before we move back into some food items here. And if you could open up what is electricity, there is a podcast here for you to listen to. So you want to turn it on in the background there, and you can take a listen to it. Before you listen to it, please answer the questions here that say before listening, so that I can have an idea of what you already know and what you might like to know. Click on this link here, and you can use this space to take notes if you'd like, and you can pause and define and do different things here, and then click on the after listening. It's about 20 minutes long, the actual podcast itself, and it's geared a little younger than you guys are, but most people don't really know a whole lot about electricity, and so this is a good review for you at this level. We won't be getting into too much more with this, just given time constraints. But this trimester. But please finish this and submit it, and have a fantastic day.